Hey everyone, hope you all are doing absolutely good. Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, Christmas is just around the corner, so here I am with some very easy Christmas decoration DIYs. And yes, guys, there are very easy 8 Christmas DIYs I am going to share with you in this video. So, let's begin. For the very first DIY, you will need a A3 size sheet of any color. I am using here white color, you can use any color paper as well. Make 9 small paper bunting like this. You can go with any shape. Punch these using punching machine. Luckily, I got these glitter alphabet stickers from our local stationery shop in red and green color. I am using here red color. And then stick each letter on these paper buntings that say Merry Christmas. Use red wool or any red ribbon or any color ribbon and start assembling these as shown. और अगर आपको ये स्टिकर्स ना मिले तो आप किसी भी ग्लिटर फॉर्म शीट से इन्हें कट कर सकते हैं. Ta-da! Merry Christmas garland is ready. Moving towards next DIY, for this you will need a green glitter foam sheet. Start rolling this to make a cone shape. Cut its edges so you will get a cone shape like this. And start pasting green Christmas garland over it like so. I got this garland for 30 rupees I guess. And एक ही garland में ये completely cover हो जाएगा easily. And then take any dark colored thick paper, roll it and paste it for making trunk of this tree. Now decoration part. It's time for your creativity. Decorate your Christmas tree as per your choice. For this DIY, you will need any color pipe cleaners. You can easily find them in any craft store. I am using here red color. वैसे अगर ये सिल्वर में हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. First cut it in half and twist them around each other in the center. Add another piece and do the same. Measure out the size and twist it like so. I hope आप समझ गए होंगे कि इसे कैसे करना है. And once you will get an idea how to do this, you will enjoy making this. Looks very pretty. Has to be my favorite DIY. For this DIY, take a small piece of thermocol sheet. Cut it in small rectangular shape. Use any gift wrapping paper. Cover it using clear tape. Tie any ribbon or golden lace around this and your tiny gift ornament is ready. You can decorate your Christmas tree using it. Take a glitter foam sheet in any color. I'll go with red one. I had cut out a reindeer shape. Take a white sheet, fold it in half, paste reindeer cutout, add some stars and stones, write Merry Christmas, ready, easy and beautiful greeting card. Take a small paper cup and red wool. Apply some glue and start pasting over it like so. Cover the cup completely with yarn. Take a piece of black sheet for making its bell. Paste it around this. Cut a belt buckle by using yellow color sheet. Paste it. Then add some golden metallic stone stickers over belt. You can use any stickers as well. Apply hot glue and then paste a clear sheet inside the cup. You can use gift wrap paper as well. Add some candies or chocolates inside it. Tie a ribbon and ready, an easy Christmas gift item. Take a glass bottle and brown acrylic color and a sponge. Color the bottle using sponge, or you can use paintbrush as well. वैसे स्पॉन्ज से ज़्यादा अच्छी फिनिशिंग आती है. And then add its horn, eyes and a nose. I'm using here red pom-pom for its nose. Tie a bell around its neck and ready. Isn't it looking cute? Moving towards next one. Take a piece of any cardboard, write any Christmassy word like Santa, bells, etc. I'm writing here joy. By using Fevicol and cotton, cover it completely like so. Or you can use tiny thermocol balls as well in white color. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share and comment down below which DIY you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe. Merry Christmas to all.